I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by cutting power and clearing the area so you don't short anything. This is critical. Once unplugged, remove the faceplate and side cover carefully and set screws in order so reassembly is simple. Next, expose the DVD bay and identify the small retaining screws and the manual eject hole. These are what let you free the tray. Make sure you have a Phillips and a small flat tool before you proceed to the next step. Once done ejecting manually with a paperclip, observe how the tray moves and listen for grinding. That tells you where gears are stripped. Then disconnect the drive ribbon and examine the gear train and motor coupling. A cracked plastic gear or slipped worm gear is the usual culprit. If gears are damaged, swap in a repair kit or salvage from a donor drive and make sure the motor and laser connectors are seated so the drive receives proper power when reinstalled. After replacing parts, reassemble in reverse order and reconnect everything for a controlled power-up. You want to observe tray behavior on first boot. If the tray still reports open, clear the dash by performing a soft reset and power cycle the console twice to let firmware reinitialize sensors. If problems persist, suspect the drive's PCB or motor. Replacing the full DVD assembly is the reliable final fix. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, swap the drive cable or try a different donor drive before buying new parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.